395 pesos lang per person. Sobrang perfect if you're a group of 3 and you are crazy for garlic like me. Hey Cravers, we are at Crazy Garlic today and we are trying out their table for 3 promo. You get an appetizer, an entree, 1 vegetable, 1 rice, and 3 drinks, all for 1,185. This is their Cheese Max appetizer. Ang saya nito kasi not only is it cheesy, meron pa siyang garlic bits. Sobrang amplified yung garlic flavor. For veggies, we got the KG veggies. Ang saya na may veggie yung set, no? And this is so fresh. For the entree, we got the Asian crispy pork. You add 200 pesos for this, but it's totally worth it. Perfect siya with their K-bap rice. The rice has a hint of spice, so be warned. Pero ang sarap, it's so addicting and super bagay siya with the Asian crispy pork belly. For drinks, you get to choose between Guava Punch and Star for all seasons. Dessert is not included, but I suggest getting this. This is the Crazy Crema Catalana, and yung kumakain ay si Crazy Cravings. Trust. Ang crazy na may garlic yung dessert, pero ang sarap nito. Honestly, it's hard na magkamali sa pagpili ng mga dishes. I think it's really just a matter of what you prefer. Masarap din tong chicken Kiev. Super creamy, and the chicken is still super tender. So if you're a group of 3 or 4 or more, I think this is a pretty good promo. Honestly, kahit siguro 2 if you're really hungry. Such a sulit promo, so don't miss out.